Hello, boys and girls. I hope you all are blessed. So today we are going to start new topic, that is subtraction. Children, do you know what is subtraction? So let us understand with the story. One day Mr. Bear made 9 cupcakes. Then he said to himself, "Oh, my 9 cupcakes are ready. Let me put some chocolate sauce on them." After keeping them on the table, he went into the kitchen to get the chocolate sauce. Gut 2. The monkey who was passing by gets the smell of freshly cupcakes. Then he saw the door of Mr. Bear was open. As he saw the cupcakes on the table, so he picked up 2 cupcakes. He heard the sound of Mr. Bear coming, so he hid himself behind the lamp. Mr. Bear was surprised to see the 2 cupcakes were missing. Children, as you can see that the 2 cupcakes have been taken away, so the sign of cross have been put in place of those cupcakes. So, Mr. Bear saw that Gattu is trying to hit cupcakes. So he asked, "How many cupcakes did you take?" Gattu said, "I took 2 cupcakes, Mr. Bear." Children, as you can see, there are 9 cupcakes on the table. 2 cupcakes are taken away. So how many cupcakes are left? So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 cupcakes are left. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So this is the subtraction. Subtraction means things taken away. When the things are taken away or it becomes less, as you can see, we called it subtraction. The sign used for subtraction is called minus and the answer we get is called difference. So 7 is the difference of 9 and 2. I hope the meaning of subtraction is clear. It means to take away. So let us doing practice of subtraction. Open your book Maths 1, page number 38. So write today's date and classwork. Children, as you know, subtraction means take away. So at the left side, few pictures of toy trucks are given, right? And at the right side, dash toy trucks. So we have to find out the total number of toy trucks. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 toy trucks. So take 1. So we'll take away 1. So what we have to do? We can cross out the object which are taken away or removed from the collection. So we'll take away 1. We will cross on 1 truck. Right. Now how many toy trucks are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trucks are left. Right. And the mathematical operation is shown as 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Children, 4 is the difference of 5 and 1. Let's take another one. Dash bags, as I have already written. Dash bags take 2. So we have to find out the total number of bags. At the right side, few pictures of bags are given. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags. Take 2. So cross on 2 bags. Now how many bags are left after crossing out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags are left. So the mathematical operation is shown as 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And 6 is the answer. And the answer is called the difference. Right? So children, you have to complete this page in the same way. Now moving on to the next page. Vertical subtraction. Children, vertical means standing line order. Right? As you can see that the sums are written in the standing line. So let's solve it. As the first one is done for you, we'll take an unsolved. 5 minus 2 is written. Children, in subtraction, always remember we take away the small number from the bigger number, right? So as you can see that the first number is 5 and the second one is 2 and 5 is greater than 2, right? So it is easy to subtract 2 from 5. So let's subtract So what we do in addition, we keep the big number in our mind, and in subtraction what we will do, we will keep the small number in our mind. So 2 is small, so keep 2 is in your mind and you have to count it till 5. So what comes after 2? 3, 4 and 5. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So 3 is the difference of 5 and 2. So let's take in another one, 7 minus 1. So keep the small number in the mind. 1 is in your mind and you have to count it till 7, right? So what comes after 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, right? So you have to complete this page like this, okay? Subtracting 0. 0 means nothing. When you take away 0 from any number, it does not change the value of that number. For example, from a bunch of 7 flowers, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a bunch of 7 flowers, and if we take away 0 flowers, 0 means no object, no flower. So if we take away 0 flower, so there will still be 7 flowers in the bunch, and the mathematical operation will be shown as 7 minus 0 is equal to 7, right? So children, when 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself, right? Now subtracting same number. When we subtract a number from the same number, the result is 0. Children, as you can see, on both the side, pictures of mangoes are given, right? So let's count it at the one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes, sign of minus. And on another side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes. So here we are subtracting the number from the same number. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Right? On this page number 40, the sums related to both the facts which we have just learned. The first one is subtracting 0 and the second one is subtracting from the same number. Right? So let's start. The first statement is given 7 minus 0. So here we will take away 0 from the number 7 minus 0 and the answer we will get, that is 7. Right? The next one is 9 minus 0. Answer is 9. 5 minus 0. Answer is 5. So children, you have to do this page on your own. Now table of 8. As we did table of 6 and 7. So write today's date, day and classwork. Give the heading table of 8 and leave the line. So let's start. 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. So I hope you have understood the concept. So children, this is homework, page number 41, 42, 43, 45. From book Maths is Fun. You have to complete all these pages and learn table of 8. So that's all for today, and wishing you a happy and prosperous Diwali. So thank you so much. Bye bye.